Hello, I'm Susie, the Training Ambassador with Mayflower. Today I'd like to introduce to you the centerpieces. You may have some of these in your department and you're like, what is it and why? Well, this is why. It can't get any easier than this. This is a simple way to add an awful lot of perceived value to your department. The thing I like about these is they're used with air-filled, and air-filled has such a larger profit margin on them than it does with helium. And the other thing is the air molecules are larger with air than it is with helium. Therefore, these will just stay inflated almost forever. So you could put this weeks and weeks before Valentine's Day and set up 7, 8, 9, 10 of these just to give people the idea that you're in this game to win and you're starting early and you're thinking ahead. So with that, let me show you how we use these. You just want to separate everything so that you can see the cylindrical side. And then just put a couple fingers in there and just slide the inner tube out. And there's a little adhesive on it, which you'll want to just discard. And then take your air-filled 18-inch balloon, run the tab right through the center, and then bring this up and tape that tab to the outside. And then quite simply just drop it in the center. And boom, you're done. Now this is very simple and easy, and it's really easy to create another additional side to this by just adding a little balloon that you make. Hearts and flowers are a lovely combination, so just to put him on the corner just really separates your work from anybody else's. So these don't only come in silver, but they also come in gold. So these are just lovely, quick, simple, easy ways to decorate your department. I hope this helps this Valentine's Day. We'll see you soon.